I opted for plain yock. I didn't want the meat. I didn't want the ketchup, the vinegar, the hot sauce, because the broth was so delicious. All I needed was the noodles, the onions, and the scallion onions. The white onions, they were raw onions, which made it even more spectacular. So I am going to make my own version of yock, and the sauce, I'm sorry, the broth I'm making, it is from scratch, and it's mushrooms added. It's like a mushroom broth, and I'm using sesame oil, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and sea salt. That's basically it. And if you want to add a little vinegar, you can. It's your choice. But I just keep it basic. The key feature is your broth. Your broth must be super tasty, and the mushrooms must be super tasty. This is a very good dish. It's very quick. I'm using Kelp noodles. Actually, I was just introduced to Kelp noodles, and so I decided to try Kelp noodles as in my yock, as a yock noodle. And Kelp noodles are they're super absorbent. So they're going to absorb all that goodness from the broth, and so it's going to be very tasty. So sit back, relax, and just take notes and subscribe to this channel, like this channel, and please share this channel or this video. Share that vegan love. And comment. Please comment. Thank you so much for watching.